thanks everybody for coming in for our training. So this is the newer room that we're finally ready to kind of open up to our tenants, our clients to use. It's the Ideate room, previously known as the Orange Room. And it's managed by INNOVATE Hawaii, and we are a program, federally funded program under HTDC. And just a little background on what we do, if you don't know already, INNOVATE Hawaii works with small and medium-sized manufacturing companies in Hawaii. So we can provide consulting with exporting, energy efficiency, and business consulting. We also have a matching grant program. So R&D companies win an SBIR grant, a federal grant, then we can provide some matching funds for that. The purpose is to get them to help to develop their product or their concepts to get to commercialization. That's the goal. So this room is something that we really wanted to, or we felt that would be a great benefit for Manoa Innovation Center, great service for us to provide. It's a little bit different from the other meeting rooms on the property in that we really wanted to create a place that would foster innovation and collaboration, within your company, with other companies, with your clients, partners, and to provide the way to do that. So as you can see, we have the basic amenities. It seats about 20 people comfortably. We can probably go up to 30. We have phone, we have webcam, and we have a whiteboard. That wall right there is whiteboard paint, just that wall, none of the other walls. So feel free to, if you really want to use the whiteboard there, you can. And it's, the main thing about the room is that we have this Smartboard. It's the sharp interactive display whiteboard.
Hello, sorry.
Okay, no problem, we're just getting started with intro. This class is just a basic introduction to the board. So I just want to give you background on what we do in the room and this board that we have. So it's not just, it's a great computer monitor, and it's not just a monitor, but you can do the same things that you would, like play a PowerPoint video. You can have groups meet in here, and if you wanted to do, like we've done webinars, we can do that, stream the webinar. But we wanted to focus on today, though, is what else you can do with it. So the whiteboard capabilities. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask questions or contact me later. It's fine. And so we'll get into it. Like I mentioned, this is the 80-inch sharp interactive display. It comes with some software we'll talk about. Also, you can use the interactive pen that we'll be using today. So just to start from the beginning, say you come in, you have the room reserved. By the way, the room is available on the reservation system under the Ideate room 160. And it is similar to how we have the presentation room. We do charge for use of the room. So it's a minimum of 4 hours, and it's $100 minimum, and that's for the client rate. So you come into the room, and we'll leave the computer on. I think that was the idea, right? We want to leave the computer on. It's just a regular computer here, tower. So you just, if it's not, you can turn it on. It should be on. All you have to do is turn on the screen by the remote or this button here to turn on. And you get to a screen to enter your login.
Right.
So the login will have posted.
We'll print it out and then we'll put it here, and then you guys can log in with the username is Ideation room. The password, we may change every month. It depends on the usage of this room. So, but just come here and then we'll print out the password and then you can just log in with that login information.
You'd use that password to log in and you get to this home screen.
Yeah.
So,
So the first thing after you log in, you will see is first of all you can use pen or you can use your finger too. So just like a mouse, a touch screen, so you can touch with the pen and also your finger. So the first thing you will see is this this built-in software for the Smartboard. It's a whiteboard, so you can use the pen or use your finger to draw things or write the stuff that you want to on this whiteboard. So you can change color. So let's say if I want to. So here you can select the color of pen and then change it. So it's pen and paper, something like that, I would say. And also you can insert a picture in the board so that you can actually, let's say if you have a website and you can take a screenshot of the website and then you put it here and then you can discuss with other people in this room. Let's see what change. So I already took this is an example again. Sorry. So this is the picture that I took a screenshot from hdbc.org, and then if you you can like talk about it or change this to something else, change this picture, and then you can discuss with the people in this room. And then you can save it after. You can save your work, your drawings together, and as a picture or a PDF. So you can click on this little floppy disk, and then you can select the save PDF image, and they will ask you to save it. Where to save it on this computer. And so there's a shortcuts on the desktop that goes to this save files, and then so you can save it and then you can open it later or send it to the PDF to your.
Can you move the picture around? Or
no.
choose size?
No, you cannot change it. Yeah.
this built-in software, this is very basic.
Yeah, very basic.
We
But
have-
you can do it in the software that we will talk about later. Yeah. So this is a very basic one. It's like whiteboard, it's like a screenshot on it, and then you can draw stuff on it. So this is like and also there's a called the overlay mode. It's on the desktop. So there's two modes. One is the whiteboard, and then there's another one called overlay mode, which is like when you open it, it will just the background will become the desktop or the website that you open. So that's it. And then if I go to if I want to talk about this website, this page, I can just use, I don't need to take the screenshot. If you want to take the screenshot, that's fine. But if you don't want to do it, you can use the overlay mode, and then you just click on the mode, and then you can actually draw on the page or a document or a picture that you open and then you save it, and it will save the background and also the drawing together. So you can actually change, or okay, I'll change it to another page. Then you can open the software again, and then you can talk about this page. So you can keep changing the background instead of like you insert the screenshot and then you have to stick with that same screenshot. So this is called the overlay mode. It's on the desktop, so you can use it.
Question. So you have to have the two applications open in that case. So one for the Smartboard and then the other is the overlay mode.
No, they're the same software. It's just different modes. Yeah.
Okay, so I can shut down the first one then. And just
Yeah, you can
overlay
shut down the first one, and then
specifically.
yeah.
Okay.
But it's using the same software.
Okay.
So Kevin, how do you erase those circles that you did for the first?
We have an eraser.
Oh, yeah, we have an eraser. This is an eraser. And then it's not a cleaner, okay? It's an eraser.
Is there remote access to the board?
Remote access, we will use another software for remote access. Are you talking about like cooperating with other people? Okay, yeah. So we'll talk about it after. Yeah. So, but I mean, yeah, this is like a built-in software. It's a very basic. It's from shop. So and try to tell people to use this as a whiteboard because it's an interactive whiteboard. So we have another software which is more collaborative. You can do more collaborative work with it, and also with the Smartboard together. And it's called.
Were there any other questions though about this basic software, the pen software?
Yeah. Okay. So the next one we want to talk about is it's more like an online application. It's called Concept Board, and it's web-based. So it basically is a web page that having all the features on it. So we have a shortcut right at the bottom here, and this like little purple thing, or you can go. Actually, you can you can click on this and open it. So this is called a concept board. This is the dashboard for the concept board, the home screen. And you will need a login to use this concept board. You need an account. You can use your Gmail account. You can use your Facebook account. But we have one login on this computer, so we actually can also use the one that from the INNOVATE Hawaii. But the thing is, if you use it with this account, then your board, your board will maybe seen by other people because it's a shared account. So just make sure you guys, after the discussion or after you save the board and then save to yourself, then make sure you delete on this software so that other people won't see. So this is it's integrated with Google Chrome too. So if you open Google Chrome, you can also able to open the concept board on Google Chrome too. You can open it on Firefox, Safari, other browsers too, because it's a web-based application. So now I will show you guys how to create a new board. So there's a new board button right here, and you can just click on it, and then it will ask you to the name, and also if you want to add a password on that board. If you want to be more secure, then you can add the password to make it secure, so that other people.
Can you drag the box down? It's so high.
Maybe.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, this is where you type the name.
You
The
can,
typing is
so you
from
you
that
can
the-
use
Yeah, you can use
wireless
that.
keyboard.
Wireless keyboard. Yeah.
And you can
oh,
also
okay.
use
There was
the
one
one.
up there too.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, there
So
is
you can either use the keyboard, and also there's an on-screen keyboard that's from Windows. So here's the little icon, like a blue little keyboard thing. It's right here, and then you click on it, then it will. So it will pop up a on-screen keyboard, and then you just, like. You see it come out on the screen. But yeah, let's just need to maybe a little bit practice on it and, yeah, get used to it. But I mean so this is the on-screen keyboard, so you don't have to like go back and forth.
Can you use the mouse to operate it from the desk?
Yeah,
Your
you
level?
can,
You can use just like the computer.
Yeah,
yeah.
then you don't have to stand.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The receiver for the wireless keyboard and mouse is right here. So it works pretty well. Best if you're more like in line with the receiver than like in a corner of the room.
Yeah, you can,
Yeah.
you can like all the way to the back.
So you can use the pen to draw on the box instead of typing too?
No, you cannot draw.
Oh.
You have to type. I mean, it depends on the software.
Okay.
Yeah, not this field. Yeah, you have to type. Okay. So after that, you click create, and then it will create a new board. So and then it will show it in this boards section. So I already created one, which is called the Smartboard Training Session 2024. So it will show it here, and you will see like these are the old boards that we created before. So like I said, if I created one like for today, and then tomorrow there's another people want to use the concept board, and if you forgot to delete the board, then they will see it. And if you have any like confidential things in it or some funny picture in it, then they can click into it and okay. So make sure you delete that. Like you can save it, so you can save it like the whiteboard. You can save it as a PDF or image, and then you can send it to your email or whatever. Or you can plug into a USB too, and then transfer it to your USB thumb drive to that computer. So after that, then you can delete this board. And you click on it, then there's a. Then we'll open that. So you open.
And of course, again, this is just if you're using the account that we've created to use the concept board. But like Kevin mentioned, if you have your own Gmail or Google account, you can log in and use your own account too.
So you will save your board on your account instead of on our INNOVATE account. The different thing is there's free account, and also there's you have to pay for some advanced level account. For free accounts, it allows so you can collaborate with other people, so you can join, like people can join the board. So for free accounts, it only allows up to 5 participants. With paid account, it's unlimited. And for the free accounts, you cannot export it as a PDF or image, so you cannot save it actually. So if you want to look at the board again, you have to log in with your account and then open the board. The paid account, that's what we have right now. The INNOVATE Hawaii is a paid account. So you can save it as PDF or image, and then you can send it to other people. So this is the difference. So if you're okay with logging in to look at your board again, then, or you're not sharing with other people, then a free account may be, yeah, applicable to you. So you have a new board, we have a new board here, and so we want to, the whole thing of this, the main purpose, one of the main purposes is to collaborate with other people. So what we can do is we can share this board with the people outside in this room, or outside this room, or even in other country. You can share it by clicking this share button, and then you will see there's like a window that will ask you to enter the email that the people that you want to invite. So you can type in whatever you like, the people that you want to share the board with, and also you can share via link. So this is the link, the unique link for this board. Sorry. Link for this board. And so either send the email via email, you can send this link to the people that you want to share with. So after you send it, the people who got an email, and there's a button on the email say like join concept board, something like that. And after they join, their name will show it here. But before you having this name, it will ask you to enter as a guest. So you can, on the flyer, I think we'll ask you guys to bring in your iPhone or tablet. So I'll show you how to, there's an easier way to do this. So you can grab this link, and then you can copy it. And for people to easier to log in on the tablet or phone, you can actually open a Google Chrome, our Google Chrome, and then there's a shortcut called QR code generator. So you can put your link, you go to this QR code generator, and then you can choose URL, and then put this link on here, on the, oh, by the way, the pen, there's a 2 button on the pen. It's the same as the left button and the right button on the mouse. The black one is right click, yeah. So you can see it's got a menu on it. So I just press the black button and show the menu. So you can paste the link. Oh, I forgot to copy it. And then on the right side, it will generate a QR code, and then you can expand it bigger. Then you can use your phone, your iPad, your tablet, Android tablet, scan this code, and then you can go to this link and join the board. So again, if you guys want to try, you can try it.
To be kind of close.
For the QR.
Go, it's a website. It's just a website. So this is like a shortcut.
I mean, you use a camera to scan?
Oh, so there's a.
What's the recommended?
Oh, yeah, the apps for iPhone. You can use one called QR Reader or a Crafter. It's with a QRAFTER. For Android devices, you can use an app called Barcode Scanner or QR Drawer. You can,
It says protected word.
okay, yeah. So the password is here. Password is INNOVATE.
Oh.
And you will see, yeah, okay, so you will see this is the shortcut. So this is optional actually. If you want to, you see this link is really
Long.
random number, like really long. It's hard to tell people. If you want to call someone, oh, can you go to this link and share this? I'm going to share the board with you. It's hard to tell like A, 4, 5, and then G, something like that. So instead, what you can do is you can go to this bit.ly.com. I don't know if you guys familiar with the shortened website, the shortened URL. So go to the bit.ly, and then if you have an account on Bitly, actually you can paste it and then you can modify the URL. You can customize it with your choice. So what I did is I customized this link with Smartboard 124. So either you can scan the QR code or you can tell people this link. And it's easier to just talk with just tell people with that random number. You guys want me to show you how to do it on Bitly or it's just you can.
You can
always
ask
ask.
any questions you have. Let me know.
It's really straightforward. Just like there's a paste links there here, and then you just paste it in. So when you log in, it will ask you for enter as guest or sign up an account, something like that. So you can just choose enter as guest, so that you don't have to create an account. You can create an account later, but you don't have to create it now. So I think I'm going to add to. On the link, actually because you can use laptop to cooperate too, so it's easier for the laptop user to log in.
I'm in.
Yeah. Okay. So
You can see who's signing in.
yeah. So it,
And
the bottom is showing who joined the board.
What is the password again?
INV capital I, HI capital H, 808.
Yeah, I can see. So you can see there's 4 people right now on the board. So I guess I just continue. So this is the board, and then so first of all, you want to. It's just partial. It's a really big board. So this is the whole. This is the navigation of the whole board. This is only one of the section, one of the area of it. If you want to browse it to other area, you can either drag this, or you can. Here's the browse. There's a hand on top. You can browse it, and then you can just move it. Now it doesn't have anything, so you won't see it. But so go to draw things. What you can do is you can go to the create on the top. There's a toolbar probably right here, and under there's the lines right here. Actually, it's a drop-down menu. So you click on it. There's more options. It says line, arrow, and freehand. So if you want to just draw freehand drawing or writing, just select the freehand and then you can draw. Okay. So it's like free drawing. Okay. And
ask a question?
Mm.
That, if you click share up in the right-hand corner, is that gonna create a link and be able to share it? Are you drawing in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see someone.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
here,
okay,
right
cool,
here.
that's
So-
what I thought.
So,
No, that's
so
cool.
if you move it to here, you will see one.
Oh,
Someone's drawing on the
yeah.
some area, yeah. So you can, yeah, feel free to draw it, and if you want to personalize your drawing, you can change the color right here.
Oh.
You can change this many colors.
Okay, so back to the share button, that's the Google share, yeah, up in the right-hand corner, that's
Uh,
the Google
no,
Doc, no?
it just shared this board.
Right, so if you click, what happens when you click on there? It gives you a link?
Yeah, it will
Oh,
give you
it's
the
just to
option, you
share
can
that.
send
Oh,
email
okay,
or
that's
you
same
can do the
thing.
link.
I thought it was.
But it won't, it's not shared, it's the, unless, you share it unless you send out the email or
Okay,
you
okay,
share the link to other people.
Okay, okay.
And also we have the password protected on this board, so that's why you have to enter the password.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see the participants right here now, you can see like, Mike, Sean.
You Mike?
Erin.
You might-
Who's-
That's not me.
No, that's me.
Oh, okay.
So that's how you can collaborate. So and also yeah, there's you can type. There's a text box. You can draw a text box. Type, and you can use the on-screen keyboard. You can type text, and then another option, a useful tool is there's a sticky notes. So you can use the sticky notes. You can put a sticky notes anywhere. So this is the sticky notes, and then I can type like my name.
Oops.
Someone did it.
What happens when you collaborate?
Movement or something? Okay, so yeah, this is how you cooperate, right? So you write your name, and you can change the font and the size of the text. So this is how you do it. And you can change the color of the sticky notes too. So change it to change it to red. Okay. Like blue. And so we have several people here. Why don't you guys just try the sticky notes, and just like what I did, put a sticky note on. Let me see. Okay. Let me create a section for the name.
Wait, can I ask a question? In the bottom right, what are you doing there? That's
Oh,
part
okay.
of
So
the
this is
board?
how you browse the board.
Uh,
So you can browse it with, so you click, you select this browse, the little hand, then you can browse it, right? And then you can drag it
Can
to.
you reduce or enlarge the screen?
Hmm?
Can you reduce or enlarge?
Oh yeah, there's a zoom in, zoom out right here. So you
You
can,
can see the whole.
yeah, one time.
yeah, so you can see it. Now it's zoom out to the, you can see the whole board. You can also zoom. Yeah. You can browse it, or you can, if it's too far, then you can just drag it here. So let me create an area here. Another so you can draw rectangles or circle. Again, this is the selection you can draw. Rectangles you can draw. And then we can may ask what is the difference with headlines and text, but I will show you after I. You can also change the size with, like, by dragging these little dots. So this is a headline. So different is when you create a headline, it will comes up. There's a little menu pop up here with the headlines, the title of the headlines right here. Then what do you do with this menu? There's a useful way to do it. So I know it's like I drag it to another area. Yeah, I want to go back to the sticky notes with name area. I can just tap on this title, and then it will jump to the area. Yeah. Then you can jump back and forth if you have multiple titles, multiple headlines. Then you can jump back and forth with different area. And maybe one area with images, one area with like sticky notes. So that's how you do it. And so you guys, you can put your sticky notes in this area and just try to cooperate. I put mine, and also you select one color. Oh, is it? You guys all don't.
And so what happens? Do you have to refresh, or like if you get kicked
Yeah,
out?
if you guys got kicked off or something, maybe you need to refresh it so that you can like rejoin the board. Or you can rescan your code so that you can rejoin.
So if you for some reason, get kicked off or whatever, then is it automatically saved, what you put up there so far?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah. Yeah, it's automatically saved. So yeah, because it's the board is on the account instead of on your computer, so it will save it on the account.
Is the reason people are getting kicked off because there's not activity, I'd say, where we signed in?
Yeah, sometimes it depends on the phone too. So
Okay.
you may, some of the phones, they will go to sleep mode
Okay.
and they will disconnect the internet. Or there's some, if you're using Wi-Fi and there's some problem with the Wi-Fi, then it's got disconnected, and then you have to refresh to join back the board. I see there's people. If you don't put the post-it, then you won't get the prize.
I know.
We have a prize.
So, one of the other things they could do with this is do like a video conference, right? And use the concept board, which we will, I'm really gonna test out today, but it's just something that really kind of adds to, you know, to being able to collaborate, to meet with people in other areas across the world. You could set up the video conference, maybe use the Google Hangouts, for
What
example.
about Skype? Can you use Skype on this?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can use
That would
Skype.
probably be the
Use
easiest,
Skype
right?
too,
Would
yeah.
that be easy?
Yeah, so on this computer, there's Skype installed
Okay.
already. Google Hangouts is on Google Chrome. So there'll be, one example is you have someone in Big Island
Yeah.
and you want to share, you want to collaborate on the board, and also you want to talk to him at the same time. But let's say there's another person in Maui, and you want to do a video conferencing together, as long as you guys talk about the same stuff on the board. Then you can create a Skype conference call, or you can create a conference room on the Google Hangout. And then you can, one side, you can, like,
Would we use our own, on Skype, you would just get to Skype regularly and just sign on, or do you have an account that we?
yeah, I
have to
think
use?
it's better to you have your own
Okay.
accounts, because you have all the contacts in your accounts. Because if you log in with ours, then you actually just
Okay.
our contacts, yeah. So for Skype, yeah, well, yeah, it's better to use the your Skype account. Yeah, so so if you have, like, let's say,
I never use that. Did you ever use Google Hangouts?
yeah, this is Google Hangouts. I just want to show it quickly.
Is it like Skype? I never heard of it.
It's like, yeah, more like just Skype. And then you can actually change the size of the screen. And then you can put it on the side, and then let's say this is some person right here. Then you can then you can look at their faces and also cooperate on board together on this Smartboard. And it has speakers, and also it has microphone. Or if you have your microphone, you can connect to the computer and then use your microphone. But yeah, that's one way to do it. Yeah. So yeah, there's many options. You can use this Smartboard. It's smart. It's for you guys to think about it and innovate some new methods.
Question.
Mm.
Not sure if you have touched on it. Can you save what you have come up with on the?
Yes, yeah. So under our accounts, yeah, you can save it as PDF or image. But our account is a paid account. It's an upgraded account, so you can do it. But if there's another free account, that one you cannot save as a PDF or image. So if you're okay with that, then I mean, instead you need to log into this concept board, log into the concept board, and then look at the board that you created. If you're okay with that, then yeah, that's fine. You can use the free account. but if you want to send it to a lot of people, then you need to use it on our Innovate Hawaii account. So.
Kevin, the account is, where do you get your account from now?
You
If you
mean
wanna-
your own one? If you want to create one, you can either go to the website conceptboard.com.
Oh, that's where you create the account?
Yeah, but I need to sign that. But there's a.
I think there's,
I mean, there's
like, where you
a.
can create.
Yeah, they can create account. I locked out now. So this is the concept board main page. So this is sign up here. And this login, you can log in.
This is free.
Yeah, free account. So there's a
The 5 people, right?
yeah for limited 5 participants. So we are under team.
We can use it on any computer.
You can use any computer, any tablet, any phone, smartphone. So this is the difference between basic team and enterprise. So 5. We are unlimited on the team. So you have more than 5 people, then it's better to use our accounts. And then, so. So if you may also see that there's a review option on the top. So if you click on it, there's several other options. This green ball is the same as freehand actually, so it's just another free drawing, right? There's a highlight. So you can. Yeah, there's a review, and then this highlight, you can highlight the text on the board. And then there's a comment. So this thing is more useful if you have like a whiteboard that you have a web page you want to talk about. So you can insert pictures on here too. Also, it support Word file and PowerPoint, Excel, PDF. So you can drag the PDF file on the board, and it will insert on it. That's right.
So if I have my tablet and I have a Word document on my desktop, I can drag it from my tablet to there? Is that what you're
You
saying?
can drag it from your desktop.
My tablet desktop to there.
Oh, yeah,
Because
yeah.
I'm connected, yes?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So yeah, you can drag the Word documents from your computer to the
To
board.
there, okay.
Yeah. So now, this I just drag the. I try to. So just drag it. Oh, yeah. You select the insert first, and then you can drag it down. So it's a upload.
How about video?
Video play. I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah, no, not for video. Pictures and actually they.
The USB.
From USB? Yeah, you can drag it from USB. Oh, I mean, the picture is on the computer, but you can drag it from USB.
Where's the
Plugin is on.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the plugins. So this is the picture that I just insert. And it's right, so if I want, if I name that.
So when you're doing that headline, you have to be kind of touching whatever it is you want it to attach to, so you can go back and find it?
Yes,
So
so.
I noticed you're not like above it, you're like on it, yeah.
Right. Oh, also you can move this stuff by, select this little arrow. So you choose it and you can drag the stuff. You can drag anything on the board. So you can drag the sticky note. You can drag
It doesn't have to overlap the
It
image,
doesn't.
but it can be, if it's, as long as it's near that
Okay.
section, then you can.
Yeah.
use-
Oh, okay.
Because it really takes you back to the section, not necessarily the.
The area, the
It-
vicinity, yeah.
The vicinity,
Into
yeah, okay.
your,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay,
The-
okay.
Where the headline is.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say. Do I go back? Actually, also, if you insert a picture, it will create a headline in the menu too, so you don't have, actually you don't have to create a headline. Yeah, but I just. So if you want to, so if you click on the headline, it would show it in the middle of the board. So if you click on the picture, it will show it in the middle. And then you want to jump back to that sticky note, it will jump back to this. So if you have a.
This takes practice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm practicing.
Yeah, practice. I'd hate to have like a bunch of people online in a big meeting and then you're like going, oh, I don't
Yeah,
remember.
yeah. It's good too, because it's web-based, you can practice on your own laptop too.
Oh, okay.
You can still access, like if you have your own account.
You
Okay,
can open it on Firefox, yeah.
Okay.
Google Chrome, Safari,
oh,
any
okay.
kind of the.
But do we have the touch screen?
You can use your mouse. So I can use mouse to do all these kind of stuff. So we can,
Oh, okay.
yeah, like highlight and I can just using my mouse.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but with the Smartboard, it's much more easier. When you draw, you want to draw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Draw a circle, then you just that's right.
Yeah.
With the mouse. So if I have a pen, almost. Yeah. So there's another useful, it's called comments. So you can create a comment on the board. It will look like this. So you see that comment, and then you can, let's say I want to change this image, you can just drag it, and then there's an arrow coming up, and then if you release it, it will pop up a
Oh.
comment box, and you can type the comment on this like.
You didn't touch it.
Yeah, so you can type your comments here, and then there's a save like right at the bottom. You can save it. So let me see. And then we'll show it on the people that on the board. And then other people actually can reply this comment. So they can say this thing, and then other people maybe, I agree, or I disagree. This is agree. So you can reply to this particular comment.
Okay, I have another question. So if we can access this on our tablets, computers, smartphones without being in this room, can we do it, use this service, like say if we wanted to have the boardroom and project it onto the screen?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you could use this, you can use this anywhere, it's just easier on the bigger, because this has the touch, the
Yeah,
pen and
exactly.
everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So you can, actually, you can do it on the boardroom, show it out, and then you can do it on the laptop, and then use your mouse to draw
Okay.
all these things and comments. So you can have in the boardroom, you can have one computer projected on the screen,
Mhm.
and then you have other multiple laptops, and then who join this board, and then they can use their mouse to
Mhm.
collaborate too.
Okay.
So instead of using the pen.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so there's another, but
This
the whole
is
thing is, this is
optimal,
much,
right.
more, it's, this is the whiteboard, and this is the software that collaborate.
made for.
Made for the smartphone, so this is how. So you can see there's, Aaron just comment on my.
On your comment.
You can zoom out.
So I think one thing I just realized I didn't know, so in order to reply to Kevin's comment, I had to be in the review mode.
Okay.
Yeah, like I was previously in browse, but I think I couldn't, there was no reply but link.
Oh, really? Okay.
I had to be in review in order to reply.
Okay. And then, you can, there's an option, you can mark it as a completed task, so that that's the mark as one of those. Yeah, so that's how you, so the last thing would be how to export it as a image or PDF. So what you can do, so it's automatically saved on the account. So what you can do is you can go back to the main board on page by that. Oh no, actually, sorry. For exporting, actually, you can click on the name of this board. This is a drop down menu. So really, there's an arrow at the bottom, and you can tap on it. And then there's a downloads option right here. Or, if so for free account, so you cannot save it as PDF or image. But you can actually, if you can link to your Google Drive. So you can link this file to the Google Drive
Then
and
you can
open
download
it on the Google Drive.
And then you can download it that way.
No, still.
Really?
But it's a concept board format.
Oh.
So you have to open
We
it, but in
can
order.
do a screenshot.
It's
always
right.
ways to get around
Yeah,
it.
you can use it,
That's
you
what
can take a
I was thinking,
screenshot.
screenshot and then just
Yeah.
crop it and
Yeah.
save it
Yeah,
as
yeah.
a image or PDF.
Yeah, but it's just like if you have a really big, really many
Right.
drawings on the board, then you have to zoom out a lot, and then make it really small.
Yeah.
So, I mean, but that's another way you can,
Get around the free.
right. It's free, so it's useful. But you can link to your Google Drive, and when you open it, it will go to the concept board directly from the Google Drive to we can download the. So we select downloads, and then there's an attachment just showing what you have inserted to this board. So if you have different people inserting different files and you want to save it all together, then you can download it. So this is available for free account too, but the complete board, which is the one that you have to pay to get this download option. So this download as PDF and download as image. So you have to. Oh, that's not. So you will open it and download it.
You said that we can use the beta font.
Yeah,
outside this room?
It's for this room. So I mean, unless we really want to use it outside, or like Holly said, if we want to use it on the boardroom, then maybe we can do that. It will be limited in MIC. Yeah, obviously.
We may be, just as for a standard procedure, boards that are, like after a certain amount of time, boards that are left in the account will be purged or deleted out. Just, it'll be some time after, the meeting that you've had here. Just let us know.
Yeah, just for security
Yeah.
purpose. This is the safety portion. Yes, if the whole yeah, so any question? Any comments on any idea?
So I guess we should all create free accounts and practice.
Yeah, that would be a
Yeah.
good idea, yeah. To practice, to
With all the little.
get used to it, and then you can come here and play around. I mean, yeah. You need to pay to get into this room.
Yeah.
So you cannot just pay and play,
We do have a giveaway though. We have
Yeah.
a couple of
So you want-
giveaways that might help with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want to play here, you can
Yeah.
play this game.
It's just a trivia game to have some fun. We're just gonna, the idea though was actually to be more interactive with the board, but we don't have, everybody doesn't have their own devices to log into the board. So we'll just do the trivia questions.
Yeah.
Then everybody can play.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, Roseanne, sorry. So the prize is that, is for 4 hours free use of the room, which you can use for your meetings, you can use to come in and practice.
Yeah.
Okay, so just a couple of questions, maybe to name a couple of the two services that Innovate Hawaii provides, our program provides. Anybody? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You mean like the MEP, or what do you mean by
MEP.
Yeah. I just had this speech.
Yeah, you might know.
Oh,
I don't know.
and here he comes.
A couple of, maybe a few things that I mentioned earlier in the introduction.
I guess that's what happens when you come in late.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Holly, that's right. But we were doing before. Or one thing that we do for companies. It can be anything. How do we help companies? A service that we provide.
Well, don't you help with the SBIR grant things? And
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Help with matching grant for
Yeah,
SBIR
yeah.
companies. Yeah. So it's a program that we do, not only to provide the matching grant, but we also can provide like grant writing services through consulting, commercialization assistance for those companies. Okay. So 4 hours.
Where you can play?
Yankee!
To practice and okay. And since I had another question in mind. So just this morning, there was something that happened that affected everybody, including worldwide. Affected everyone worldwide. Something that happened this morning. Do you guys know? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What
Gmail
was-
went down, Google.
Oh, yeah.
And, but it affected, it was a worldwide.
worldwide thing?
Widespread, yeah.
Global
Really?
issue.
Because
'Cause it was on
The
Twitter.
end of the
It was
world.
on Twitter, right, Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you
So
go
giving
to
you
Twitter,
hours for
the
using
hashtag Gmail down, there's like tons of people talking about it.
It's crazy.
Gmail is down from
So
Serbia,
that happened when we were
Sweden.
sleeping?
No, it like just happened right before the training.
Yeah, right before that, like
Yeah.
2 hours ago.
Really?
Yeah. Over 2 hours.
Or a lot, it's just, I didn't see it used, I just happened to sign into it.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
suddenly just.
So I didn't see it used.
Oh yeah,
Like
yeah,
on
there's,
Facebook.
but I think it's after 30 minutes, there's like some people start advertising, like posting on Facebook, but they didn't see it. There's no
Oh.
official news.
But the people in Europe are not like
Oh.
everywhere.
How many,
listening to
how many
music.
prizes do we have?
So it was just the 2 giveaways,
Oh.
so each, 4 hours for use of the room. Oh, yes,
Is it only-
and, yeah,
You're
that's a
the
good
only one did this, so.
The company gets also, because you were here, you brought your.
You're successful.
You're like, you get to actually, you're actually testing it out, and it's really what we were hoping for. To see like, okay, we can actually use
Yay,
it.
we're all winning.
Collaborate.
Collaborate.
So get the hours free. Okay. And it'd be great to get people into the room to use it. Test out the concept board or even pen software, basic software. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can contact us anytime.
Oh, we will.
Yeah, that's fine. Great.
This whole thing reminds me of another app called Kaku. It's what my friends and I use for collaboration, for creating diagrams, such.
Oh, okay, well, that's
K-A-C-A-C-O-O. It's free as well, and when you can save it and save it as a image. So that's one thing that you can do that with this one.
with the, it's good for.
CACO. Copy.
Enjoying too. Oh, cool, yeah.
It also
Yeah,
has
it means-
template.
Is it like the concept where it's like a web?
Yeah, it's like
web
a
application?
whiteboard. It's a whiteboard where you can create diagrams and share, and also real-time collaboration.
Okay, oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's,
Then you can do
okay.
it as a
It's another way to do it.
Yeah. Could use it, yeah.
Yeah.
Board.
So is it that you want us to use that whiteboard program, or like say this one that you can download for free? Is that okay to use this?
You can, sure, it's okay to use this. Welcome you, if you want to, just use whatever the software that you want to
Okay,
use. That's
because I see the
fine.
biggest problem is not being able to export your
Yeah.
work, right? And
But, is it unlimited participants or?
I believe unlimited, I'm not sure, there are only 4 of us.
Oh, okay.
But I believe there's a limit to how many saves you can do, like if you do multiple diagrams, I think maybe 25. All you gotta do is delete whatever you don't need, and it will,
Can you like draw, like free drawing?
yes. I don't know how it could, I guess it can be used for touch screen, but I've never had the chance to do it since I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
Is it
So,
free?
It's free.
There is a
Yeah,
free.
there's a free and a paid version, but I just didn't really need a paid version.
But
Everything's
it's-
free.
Until you want more than everybody pays.
But yeah, you can use
Okay.
concept board, but because we gonna pay for the concept board account, we gonna pay for the team account, which is the upgraded version of the account.
okay,
So now
So,
we use this per diagram.
That one is
15
limited
for free,
participants.
that's
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, like, feel free to use other.
I could see us using Skype.
Alright, so-
That would be a good.
Skype,
Yeah.
yeah, it's like a big Skype on the side,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
It's under
Dumping and
kind
show a
of
lot of
like
them all like repeat stuff.
Smartboard.
So we have Skype,
Yeah.
so you can just go to,
Back it up.
here we have Skype.
Okay.
Test it out.
And then there's other
Like the templates.
application. on the side. Yeah, so you can, so Skype on the side,
Uh-huh.
and then,
The board in the middle.
well, yeah, the board. And then the board on the other side. So
Okay.
that's how you can, or Google Hangout on this side. Right, I did it? Yeah. So Google Hangout on here, and then you can have a board on this side, and then for the people that are in this room, you can use the.
Yeah, so can the person on the Big Island see the people in this room on their screen? That's that
Yes,
camera.
you can
is, right?
share this board with.
No, I mean like our faces.
Oh, you mean like?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
maybe
you're
webcam.
doing the hangout.
Oh,
like-
yeah.
there's a web camera here.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to have.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to
If you
move
want
it
to
a little bit forward.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So,
So is
yeah.
that my
A little bit wide. Kind of covering like this.
That's true, right, yeah.
But it's, yeah, I mean, it's far and kind of blur, but, so it's closer, it's. But yeah, then this QR code for the people in this room is for other people and then share it. That's something that my parents then.
Oh, that you did,
So that's just very like
Kevin, do we
Wow.
offer webinar software?
there's like, we.
So if, like, one of the actors like also webinars, do we have that? Not join a webinar from like.
Yeah, like go to meeting, we host a go to meeting.
Yeah,
No, we don't.
That's not
Create
private.
the text boxes and then you can.
because that's what they would.
Aren't,
Do
aren't,
a web-
is
host a
some of
web-
those GoToMeetings accounts free though?
I don't think so.
No?
Go to meeting, you have to.
Go to my piece, I don't know, I have one of those.
Hey, I think you need to pay for it.
Okay.
Wow.
So something we were
You guys can use WebEx.
So,
Well, you need a, we have that.
Okay.
was this a
I think we
template
used
or
that a
this
couple
was something
times
that was
before.
like an image?
Oh,
that
yeah,
you-
we basically,
But we
like,
need to.
do this,
assign
to position it.
And position
Okay.
it.
Yo.
Wow.
It's
So
our-
there's
Yeah,
other
okay.
people-
You know what, you can see
So that you have it in one
It's
place
right
and
in
everybody other
there.
places in remote locations can
That's
also
right.
see it.
Oh.
So, I know one
That's
of
right.
So they would like to like.
How important
one,
it is.
and two anyway.
So each is like that.
I don't know if
I
maybe it's-
know,
But they
I'm just-
usually.
You could do both. There is in WebEx, you
But the
could
thing
do
is,
both.
the Skype is using just face to face,
Yeah.
cannot like
Right.
talk.
You're right.
Like, everybody has
They
to.
can do
like,
adjustments
Like-
unless they have their people
You
in
forget
front
to
of them.
Yeah.
But then I guess this
No,
way
you could,
then
you could,
you
with WebEx, you
post
could do
it,
both. You
Mhm.
could present
and then they
as
can
long as
page by
the
page.
camera
Right.
picture was a little bit
Updating
smaller.
it.
Mhm. Yeah, and then you can comment on it and then you can.
Right.
Uh-huh.
But sometimes if there
Right,
is
Oh,
no.
I have
and then
those.
save it.
Right, right.
Just talking.
Then it's like.
I guess
It's almost slowed down, I
anything you
feel
can
like
imagine.
coming in.
But we.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's,
Uh,
it's
You
kind
come
of
to a point
mind
you don't wanna
blowing.
learn anything anymore.
Anything you can think of. Or things I can't
Are you
even
gonna be
conceive
here
that.
after this, or are you gonna go up? You're heading back?
No, no, upstairs a little bit.
Come to introduce you to Alice. Obviously, so
Oh,
But
yeah.
I mean, this is.
Yeah.
It's just like sample.
You're in Gmail.
So it will show, actually it will show all like this,
Yeah.
there's a 28
Yeah.
pages.
Right, right. And then you can go by page by page.
Right, exactly.
I was still having some problems.
Yeah.
Was she just looking for full vendors?
I know, but I mean, the program, if I'm gonna send it out, asking people
Yeah,
to.
and then you can.
No, she wouldn't
Yeah.
take
Did,
Right,
It's like,
exactly.
she will, you know what I mean? So that's where, depending on the price, she said,
Yeah.
they can sponsor, so.
Now,
like,
if we do this, then.
If Cheryl was willing to give her a cheap price on
Right.
introduce her,
On
she'll pay
the
for it.
direction
You know what I mean?
red.
So that's where I just wanted
Yeah,
to.
I just want, yeah, I just didn't understand what,
Somebody else could
I mean, she said she's having two.
That's how they
just
do.
needed a little more info.
Yeah, so I wanted to.
So,
So, yeah.
Right?
So, yeah, another way you can do is you can, like at the beginning of the meeting, you can decide which color.
Who is who?
Yeah, like yellow is me, then.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah, I know, it's kind of weird. Usually, I don't like to use my
She
Facebook.
didn't come.
and then like maybe,
It depends on what it is, but.
JLs want to have red, then they can just put it on the side.
Right.
Right? And then you can
we're selling that, everything's in the cloud, but, right now, it's down, so.
Yeah.
So that's how you can,
So-
yeah.
Yeah.
Select the color.
Right.
And then, one thing is like you can
Yeah.
create the headline, they can jump back and forth
Oh, yeah.
to see all
It's
the
just,
colors.
it's gonna take time though to get.
Yeah, so you can use your 4 hours to try. Tell 3 hours, and 4 hours and.
Wow.
Yeah, then you-
No way.
Yeah.
But, I mean, you know,
I mean, the first time will be hard.
yeah.
Yeah, even me.
If you want to take, if the
Yeah. So you go to this is Google Chrome. So you open this shortcut.
Somebody else has a file, like.
So you click on it and then there's a
So you use the short, you use any of the short one.
either is fine. The red number one or the short
Oh,
one.
yeah,
The big one.
Kind of
The
like-
bitly one, yeah, or but the first thing you do, you have to grab the
target from.
You have to grab it from here, and then either put it in the bitly or put it here URL, and then you can get the URL from the other side.
Okay, so do you guys have this such that it's, available for us to review? I mean, you know, the,
I recorded this whole section.
oh.
Yeah, so maybe
Okay.
play it.
Oh, I see.
I need the beginning.
Okay.
I hope you log in.
So you can review, but maybe I mean like, it's
Okay.
kind of. But I mean at least you know
More or less, yeah.
more or less
Yeah.
review
Just
what I
kinda
just.
play with it.
Mhm.
That's what I had to do too. Okay. Like
I
to get
just
a
got
basic
good at
idea,
this,
but
so,
like, yeah,
yeah.
we need like hands-on
Yeah.
and fiddle around.
Which one was first, sure. Stacy.
Maybe
Oh.
fiddle, yeah.
Kendra?
I mean, we're new with this thing too, so
This is really nice.
any ideas?
Super Bulletin.
Yeah.
It was like
Oh, it has to be
9,000
Yeah.
songs.
I should
We
use
should
my
have
4
a
hours
podcast.
to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Netflix or something. Combine together.
Yeah.
Make it like a whole day, like film festival.
Workshop.
Workshop,
Film
okay,
workshop.
okay.
Film workshop. You can play DVD right here. Okay?
You can get like stream off of this. So.
Yeah,
The internet's pretty good now.
Oh.
So you could pretty.
Yeah, yeah, it's internet connection. It's just like another computer.
So you can get pretty good live stream.
I heard Fox is streaming it for free. So.
It might not be on Sunday anymore though.
No.
It might be on Monday.
Oh, Dave,
It might be Super Bowl Monday instead.
What?
Super Bowl Monday.
because of the weather?
Oh. Is that like the first time it's ever happened?
Well, we'll be
They're
here on
arguing about
Monday.
Yeah.
They're arguing.
Yeah. 4 hours. That's it. 4 hours.
So what about all the people who are flying? I mean.
I don't know, that's what they're arguing now. But it's supposed to be snowed in.
Where is it? Where is the?
It's in New York.
New York.
Oh yeah, that's the where the.
Oh, yeah, they were showing you the bulldozers. and-
Ice Age showed it.
Yeah.
That'll teach them to have an outdoor venue for the next couple of years, right?
Yeah.
That's why they should come to Hawaii.
Well, we have the Pro Bowls.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Pro Bowls, no way. I know, just Super Bowl and Pro Bowl together.
Yeah, it's neutral.
Yeah.
We don't have a
Yeah.
NFL team yet.
Yeah, but the stadium doesn't hold enough for that.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, so, I guess we did, yeah, 1:20, so it's, yeah. A little bit early.
Oh,
You
yeah.
guys want to,
Questions are-
if you want to play, I want to play that. You can come up and, play. Well, yeah, 10 minutes.
For use.
Oh, try whatever you want to try. Just do it. Yeah. And that's.
So right in.
Right click
Put it in
and
a
left
bag.
click.
What's this?
So the black one is right click.
Like, it's tough, it's hard.
It's a little.
But I mean, you can just touch it, that's thing. So you can
Chase
shake
again.
Yeah, even you're not touching it, it's like a little bit, like maybe it's close to it, it's already sensed the pan.
Unless you're gonna put a.
So that's why you have to get into it.
Try erasing the blue.
Yeah, can you erase?
No, I don't think you can use the eraser.
Oh, that's
You have to,
I
you
have
stick
to,
it again, but if not.
Review it.
I mean, nothing else comes out, right? It's just.
But it's not erase it, actually you touch it and it will
Oh.
erase that.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, just touch it,
Whatever.
yeah. Yeah, so that's why the eraser,
wow.
yeah. So
Then
you,
you can recall it by going back?
yeah, the undo, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Ah, so that drags.
Yeah, that's the dragging. So either, yeah, so whenever you see the hand, that's the drag tool, drag.
That was Laura.
Oh, that too.
Yeah, like really, yeah. Oh, because you are,
Oh.
Let me go see if Allison's
Yeah.
there now. I'll
Yeah.
go see if maybe I can put her in here.
Okay.
Or you
Yeah.
want to see what they're doing?
Yeah, I want to.
That's pretty neat.
Thank you, Kevin.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks, Molly.
Huh?
Kids.
Kids, oh yeah.
Yeah.
School,
Right.
which they have all like on in each conference room.
Really?
Smartboard in each conference room.
Oh.
I don't know, is it all of them, but I mean, they have
Many.
multiple,
Yeah.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah, many smartboards.
Gosh, it's so exciting when you have one.
So you want to like create another two. That's the, what's that? That's the rectangle.
Oh, I just get like,
Keep on.
You're, she's there, yeah, keep on going.
I see.
Well, thank you, and then, I'll let Sarah know.
Yeah.
Come
use them.
Play.
Yeah. You let me know too, I mean, as far as reservations and if you wanna use your
Yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah.
maybe let Shay know or
No, no problem,
let me
yeah.
know.
Do they have, actually, do they have any
Okay,
UH, you
okay.
know?
Okay, great, thank
UH,
you.
yeah.
Have a good
Oh, I don't know. I don't go to conferences.
Oh,
so
no.
maybe.
Oh, no, okay, yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like the whole iPad.
With,
Yeah.
cooperate with the iPad. Yeah. This is the main, actually the one, yeah, another main purpose that we purchased this concept board, because it's really integrated with everything, almost everything, smartphone, Android tablets, iPad, laptop, and on any browser, so this is
And the pen software is just a sharper image.
the,
Sharper
Sharp.
app or
From
whatever.
Shop,
It's
from
hard
this
to
is, yeah, the
Smart.
shop company, yeah. So, yeah, that would be a really basic
Yeah.
drawing tool. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, alright, yeah, thank you.
I'll let my company know.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got 4 hours of the movie time.